Welcome back to my channel, guys, where we explore fascinating places around the world. In my last content, I explored the incredible village of Ganvie and discovered some amazing things. But today's is scary and totally terrifying. It was an hour's drive from Cottonou to Ouidah, where the temple is located. Legend has it that this temple is more than a tourist attraction. It is believed to be a spiritual sanctuary where the locals worship and honor the pythons as symbols of protection and prosperity.
In this temple, we worship and we pray yesterday.
So here we are inside the temple courtyard. Here we are live at Temple of the Pythons, and it took a while before we got here, but then we're here and I'm so glad that we're here. And there's a church opposite the temple. It's kind of weird, but then we don't know. Let's just get inside and see what's up.
In the morning, people are allowed to go into the church, they worship Jesus Christ. In the night, they come back in the temple and they pray our deities too.
Two people who came to visit this church. But when they came in Benin to visit and the church, we came to visit again to the temple python.
As you can see, the environment is serene and peaceful with a strong sense of spirituality in the air. So guys, we're here. We're just like we're about to go in. Let's go now, guys.
Okay, at the temple of Python now, we are inside. This is when I found out that there is a religion called voodoo, originated in Dahomey Kingdom, present-day Benin and Togo, and it is widely practiced sometimes alongside Christianity in coastal towns.
Voodoo is different to the black magic.
Voodoo is love. You know, when a religion exists and the religion could not give a solution, that religion is not right to exist.
Right.
Because the people are looking for something. That's why they go into the religion.
The temple has a number of gods and serve as the hub for the annual voodoo festival.
Visitors come from far and wide to seek blessings and spiritual guidance from this veiled python. Guys, visiting the temple of Python has been an eye-opening experience for me. It is a place where ancient tradition and nature intertwine, creating truly magical atmosphere.
This Iroko tree is more than 4 centuries, okay? And the white scarf means purity in our tradition, purity. So every market days we do ceremonies and we give offering to the spirits. And we sacrifice animals, like goat or sheep. We use the blood for the ceremony, for the prayers. Okay? You take off your shoes, you put your left hand to the trunk of the Iroko, and you ask what you want, but only positive things, okay? Yeah, for good purposes. So sometimes when people pray, they make some promise. And when it comes true, they come back to be grateful.
I was told that there are many priests who perform rituals, make sacrifice, and receive offering made to the gods.
Those who are initiated, they go in for ceremonies. They give offering to the spirits, palm oil, corn flour, food, drinks, and they pray for well-being. Indoors, for the newborn, 2 or 3 months, they make scars. They make the 2x5 scars after consulting the oracle. The oracle is the science that told you about your past, your present. Yeah, I'm going inside to bring back a deity, and when we touch, they don't harm people, they are harmless. So don't be afraid, don't scare. No, don't worry. Touch the body. It's soft and cold. Please come and touch it, don't worry. No, I'm sure. Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry.
Look at the head, carry the head.
Okay. You want to do it? Do you want to do
Yeah, carry a snake. Wow. Yeah, take it. Oh my gosh.
Now take off shoes and we go inside.
We go inside.
Yeah. No, they don't bite. Okay. Yeah. So this is the living room. Once a month, we release them and they go out, okay? We don't give them food inside. They go out and they hunt rats, rodent mice. They squeeze and they swallow. When they finish, they come back, okay? Or people bring them back because we respect them. And when you wake up in the morning and you meet them, it means blessing for you. So they bring them back to us too. and they change their skin every 2 months. They change their skin. And inside, they used to drink sacred water. This is the water that they drink. With this water, if you have some wishes, you can pray, ask what you want, but only for good purposes. Voodoo is not for bad things, it's for good things. Yeah, only for good things. When you finish, you give an offering to be grateful to the spirits. We call the snake in Fongwe. Dre means that is long. So the female is long while the male is short. We call the male Dangbe Bong. Okay? The male, they are shorter, but they are strong.
Well, my friends, our adventure at the Temple of Python in Benin Republic comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this unique and captivating experience with me. Remember, travel is not about seeing the places. It's about immersing yourself in the rich tapestry and culture. If you like this vlog, hit the thumb button up and subscribe to my channel with some more amazing and exciting travel adventure. Next time, take care, everyone. My name is Uptown Girl. Sorry, I'm Uptown Girl.